Hello guys, good day. We were going to the supermarket. I will buy some food guys, and cheese and cheese and sausage. So this is the weather today guys. It's not good. It's a little bit dark and cloudy guys. But welcome back to this video guys. We were showing you guys the street where I'm going to supermarket and buy something. So naayos pa nila yung daan dito. You can see guys, the repair the street here. So but if it's rainfall come, look, it's very too much water here in the on the street guys, so it's not good. It's too much water, so I will drive only slowly. Pangit ang daan. So we're going to Norma Supermarket. That is called the supermarket called Normal. So I will buy cheese, oil, and inili pork chop, pork chop, yes. Look at that guys, the weather is, if you can see guys, my camera is very nice from Apple. Ganda ng camera ko. Wow, I love it. I love my camera. Kung ano nakikita nyo sa camera guys, yun din yung weather ngayon guys. So, okay lang siya. Carry naman. Carry naman siya, di ba guys? Ayan. Nalaglag talagang cellphone ko ba? So guys, please give me a thumbs up if you watch this video guys. Thank you so much for the support, and you can also share my video guys for supporting to this channel. Thank you so much for your kindly. So I will turn right here. Tingnan yung daan guys. Oh wow, ganda ng daan, but the weather is very cloudy guys. It's very cloudy really. Grabe yung ano ngayon. Kanina medyo mambon. Before was a little bit rain. Come the rainfall, but not much. But not much guys. So we're going to the city. We're going to the city guys, and buy something. Ganda ng weather guys. Ang ganda guys, super ganda. I love the weather today. Oy, what's that? Kabayong bundat. What's this? Kabayong bundis. See guys, the street here is, there's no much car here guys. There's no much traffic, but therefore you need to be careful to drive. If you are driving, you need to be careful because there's sometimes so many bicycle here and driving around the city. shopping mall. Not shopping mall, guys. Only a supermarket. It's only a supermarket. So nice. If I drive always here on the street, guys, I love the street here. It's very peaceful, and people here is very friendly and nice. It's very nice, guys, here to live here in our place. I need to turn on and right on. I need to wait for a while. And then I turn right. Here's the hospital. There, the blue one. Supermarket. We'll park here. Okay, guys, I want to say goodbye na, guys. Bye, everyone. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and please say me hello. Bye, everyone, guys. So I'm here. I am going there, and I will pack my wait. This is my bag. So I need to close it. And then I bring my pocket. What I need to bring is my pocket and my cell phone. What next? My key. My key. I need to look something here. Okay, guys, I want to say thank you guys for watching, and God bless everyone. Bye.